RooterNow has permalinear certified product installation technicians for all of your trenchless pipelining needs. Pipelining, also known as cured-in-place pipe, is used for cast iron pipe repair, storm drain replacement, drinking water lines, and more. Trenchless pipelining is cleaner, less invasive, and much faster than repiping the old-fashioned way with digging. First, the pipe is cleaned with high-pressure water that removes all roots and sludge. A sewer pipe video inspection is made to determine the length of pipe that has to be relined. A special fabric tube is then cut to the correct length. The polyester PVC-coated liner is saturated with an epoxy and is either pulled into the broken pipe or air pressure is used to shoot the liner inside existing pipe. It is then inflated with air for 2 to 4 hours while the epoxy is steam cured. After the new liner is fully cured, a final pipe video inspection is performed. The new inner pipelining material has a 50-year engineered life and typically comes with a 10-year warranty. Protect your home. Protect your investment. Call RooterNow today.